The Domino N610 is going to allow us to continue to grow at double-digit percentages every single year. This technology is best in class, and it's going to allow us to print the absolute best quality for our customer base.
Some of the benefits that we found why people choose Domino Leasing, we offer flexible leasing for 3 or 5 years. It gives them the potential to upgrade their equipment, and we can encompass a service contract within that as well. So it gives the customer peace of mind because it gives him a fixed cost, it gives him nice, comfortable feeling.
The leasing program is a very simple, easy way for our customers to get into this technology. And it doesn't take a huge cash outlay to get into the business to begin with.
The different types of leases we offer, I mean, typically, I know in the US it's called a dollar buyout lease. In other parts of the world it's called a finance lease, but effectively it's a capital purchase with the payments spread over a term. So at the end of that period, the customer would then take ownership of that press.
I get asked all the time, why should I buy a digital press? With Domino's leasing program, the question really becomes, why wouldn't you buy a digital press? It includes service, maintenance, training, print heads. So it's really nice that customers get to have that fixed monthly amount. There's no uncertainties.
So at the beginning, the customer is reluctant, is concerned, is scared of investing in digital because they are not used to that technology. So we help them. And at the end, they will see how profitable is our solution.
So you've got Brother, one of the largest manufacturers of inkjet technology in the world. You've got Domino, the leading supplier of inkjet technology to the label and packaging industry. And that's why we're able to offer the leasing programs that we offer, the guarantees on trade-in that we offer, and the support and services that we offer to ensure our customers are successful.
You know, one of the big advantages of the Domino financing program for us is the ability to invest in other things. Sales, marketing, hiring new employees are all the ways that we're going to grow the business, and with the financing, it allows us to do that.
They came out to me, they brought the contracts, we went over everything, and it was boom, boom, slam dunk, it's done. It was awesome.
To me, the real benefit is dealing directly with Domino.
And one of the things with our Domino leases is that 1 monthly payment will cover the capital repayment of the press, but it'll also cover the full service contracts. We can also bundle in digital solutions programs. For a few dollars, pounds, euros more, you can have a whole lot more included in your package. We even offer a ramp-up program whereby they can have a press on a lease, pay nothing for the first 6 months, so that all they're paying for is their ink, and after 6 months they can then start to pay for that press through the margins they're generating from what they're selling using the Domino N610i.
So we're speeding the ramp-up process so that you're making money as quick as possible.
And one of the unique things here also is we connect you directly with our Chief Financial Officer. No personal guarantees. I think we're the only company in the industry that does that. And it just makes it a simple, easy way to get into this technology.
Being able to provide those rates really helped us from a small company perspective.
We don't have the disposable cash to go out and buy one of these machines, so having a financing option and the ability to pay it down over time, along with really attractive rates, made it pretty much a non-brainer for us.
So one of the nice things with the Domino lease program is it's also backed by our trade-in guarantee program. If something new is launched and you want to move to that, we will take back the press you have and we will just recreate a lease for you. We have a very robust trade-in program, yes.
We provide all the resources to train them, to train their operators. If they want to train their sales staff, we can train their sales staff. We'll teach management how you manage to digital. And we'll teach customer service how to estimate for digital. It's basically a business in a box.
I think the main advantage to Domino's leasing program is it allows your business to grow with the advancements that are made in digital technology. Digital is the future, and the Domino N610i and the leasing program that we've put together is revolutionary.
You're dealing directly with Domino, no banks involved. The relationship with Domino, not only on the equipment, but the leasing and the financing, it goes hand in hand, and it's, in my opinion, it works the best because everything is together. Everything's handled by one company. To me, that was the best choice I could have possibly made.
So more and more we're seeing that leasing through Domino opens the door to label converters who never considered Domino digital printing.
Our leasing programs are very much geared to all companies, so whether that be a small company that needs some financial help from us, to large companies that just want to be able to protect their own cash flows or invest in other areas. We're helping them with that.
The leasing program from Domino is a simple, easy, flexible program that enables our customers to get into this kind of technology.
Whether if you are a new customer or whether if you are a Domino customer, the Domino leasing is for you. It's attractive for growing your business.
Thanks, Domino.
Thanks, Domino.
Thanks, Domino. Grazie, Domino. Merci beaucoup, Domino. Vielen Dank, Domino.